What are these little ladies up to? They are all over the place. These guys are strong out here. Wait, that's not one. There we go. Oh, Ladybug Town. They are planning something. Look at that. Like they are strong out here. You can see them. They're so busy, I don't know what they're doing. I have no idea what's going on. These little guys. Or girls. I don't know what they are. They're not all ladies though, right? I don't know. No, it's just our name for them. Look, well, oh, hey. Yeah. Bro, it was just like, what the heck? He's getting too close. He's making a video. Disable his technology. It's protected. Disable him. Aim for the vein. No. Hey. Please move. Please fly away. Go, please. There we go. Okay. Anyway, that just happened. But what I was gonna show you was this guy. Or I don't know what that is either. But like it's a spider. It has so much going on over here. Like there is, let me see if I can get it. Yeah, that is a wrapped up ladybug. Like that's happening like right now. Yeah. Yeah, he's in like the cocoon thing. And then all these guys are just like hanging out there. I don't know if they're planning to jump that spider or what. Yo, stay woke. Stay woke. Niggas creeping. They gonna find you. They gonna catch you sleeping. Yeah. Seems like they're all going like that way. Let me see. Actually, no. You going... Yo, the action is happening over there, yo. Yeah, I know. He's that guy. Yeah. Yo, we out. See what's going on over here? See, everybody going that way. See? Going down. Yeah, you got it. You got the memo. Some of us didn't make it. Let me see. Oh, you actually, you were just taking a nap. What? Anyway, this keeps on going on. Hey, dogs. Yeah, this keeps on going on like all the way. Everybody's going that way. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a huge bug fight. Oh, hey, what's up? What's up? How you doing? You want to talk? Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Look, got a little ladybug on me.
Yeah.
Roar. Make a muscle. No, that's not affecting him at all.
Who's saying?
That's the dog. The dog is singing.
How?
Dogs can sing.
No, they can bark.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Dixie. It's Dixie.
Yes, that's what I said. What?
God, a spider web. I'm done.
Why are you walking into spider webs? Stay woke. I'm trying to get this.
Then make it and blow it off.
Oh, okay. All I had to do was turn mine on. Yes. Okay. Well, yeah. I'm about to check Eugen's work that he did. He corrected his own work today.
You can look at it. Just hold it. I won't say hi to Dixie.
Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Peace out.